Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a track that actually frees you to use it. Pick public domain or a clear Creative Commons license and verify terms. Once done, check if the license allows synchronization and performance in videos, and note attribution requirements. Make sure you download or save the license text or email with permission. This is your proof. If a track isn't explicitly allowed, don't assume. Contact the rights holder and request a written sync license before you proceed with choreography. You now handle the middle steps. Decide whether you will use the track as is, edit it, or sample portions. If you transform it, know that editing doesn't avoid sync rights. You must clear both the master and composition unless both are public domain. Once you choose edits, request a written amendment to the license covering altered versions. If clearance is complex, commission a short original cue from a composer with a work-for-hire or written license to avoid future claims. You finish by preparing for publication. Add license text and credits into the video description and metadata, and attach the license PDF to your project files. Once uploaded, make sure platform monetization settings match your license terms. Some paid licenses allow claims to be disabled. If a takedown or content ID match happens, stay calm. Provide the platform with your written license and a short explanation. If needed, file a counter notice only when you legally hold the rights. Otherwise, renegotiate or replace the audio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.